Oh, welcome guys, welcome back to the channel after a long time. What about context? Context is this, that I'm currently staying in Jamshedpur and it's been around a month, and I used to be morning walk at 4:30 or 5 am, and currently I'm heading to Jamshedpur best park, Jubilee Park, and it is told by one of my friends that it is the most beautiful park. हाँ भाई तू वही आ जा पहले. It is Mango, right? Oh bhai, this is Mango overbridge, you can see, and this is the Swarnarekha river. It may be not clear as I can see, but yeah, it's a quite well. Let me focus on this. This is Swarnarekha river, guys, as it is too dark, so you may be not seen. Okay. The light you am saying, this is a Gurudwara. Okay. Jai bole so nihal, sat sri akal. Okay, let's move. So it is too dark now, and I must not shave my beard, guys. This literally don't shoot in me, right? By the way, let's go. Doing a sprint in an overbridge, guys. So this is the way leading to Jubilee Park, and I'm currently on the way. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes only to start me from there, and it is around 2.8 kilometers away from this location. Okay, so maybe up to 10 to 12 minutes, maybe less than 10 minutes I will take. So let's go there, meet you there, guys. Okay. Laser show, Jayanti Sarovar, horticulture service, compost plant, rose garden, children corner, amusement park, many of these. So this is the path, and it is leading to Jubilee Park. Actually, this is Jubilee Park beside of me, but we will enter from the main gate so that we can't miss the vibe. Okay, and it takes me around 8 to 9 minutes to reach there. The kind of serenity I'm feeling there is really miserable, guys. So guys, this is the first view of Jubilee Park in front of me. This all, right? You must be thinking that how stupid I am, just opening my camera, shooting the visuals, and thinking that the viewers understand all the mystery. No. But guys, it's 4:30 to 4:50 am. It's a darker a little bit. That's why you may not understand the path which I had followed. But this is the final destination. Okay. And I think it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to happen the sunrise. So before the sunrise, let's reach to the main gate over there. Let's run again, guys. So guys, we are too close to main gate, and I don't know much about this area because this is my first time coming over there, and as I seen in the Google map, I'm just following the path. Let's go. So this is the main path, and the kind of view I am seeing, I can't capture it anymore with my this camera because my eyes are 576 megapixel camera and this is only 48. So what I am currently seeing, it is immeasurable, guys. These are the greeneries. Oh, they are exercising, guys. It is called short nap. I can run faster than you guys, but only for 100 meters. The statue you are seeing, it is Jamshedji Tata. Sorry guys, I don't know the full name of him, but I must be add the visuals. And this is the guys front of Jamshedpur Park. So beautiful it is. I really can't capture the beauty of this park, but as I can see, I think this is the best park I have ever seen, guys. Let's move ahead, and I'm going to tell you some more facts about this park. So guys, this is Jamshedpur's Jubilee Park, and I'm done with my running and exercise as well. So this is the Jubilee Park. This is the morning view. Best time to explore any park, any forest, any kind of something. It is in the morning. I don't know where you can see or not, but there was a light. Okay, right over there. This is JRD. It is also called JRD Furnace. The recently Durand Cup has also held in Jamshedpur and played there. And I was fortunate enough that I got the tickets. But as I have no interest in football, so I didn't camp. The thing you are seeing behind me, that is sculpture. Yeah, is it clear now? It is clear now. And all over this is Jubilee Park. Let me tell you something. So guys, firstly when I seen this sculpture, I thought that yeah, it's good. Come. भाई डर लगता है यार, हट जा. So the dog interrupted last time. So the sculpture you are seeing, firstly I thought that this is a spinal cord of any kind of animal or dinosaur, but when I reached there, there was a description also, and it is clearly mentioned that it used Archimedes principle and used 3 kind of hollow end pipes and around 1124 spikes over there, right? Then the most beautiful sculpture of Jubilee Park. I was literally telling you, I was born and brought up in Dhanbad, and it is a too beautiful city. And I was living around 5 years in Ranchi as well. It was a beautiful city, but as I seen the Jamshedpur, oh, as a kind of, I'm a fond of this city, guys. The greenery, the beauty, the mountains, the river, the peoples, all of the things is really well. And yeah, this is the 7th most beautiful urban cities in India, and I'm in front of this. By the way, it's around 6:05 and I have to go my home because it's getting too late. I have some certain works in my home as well. So let's left this park